MBG fam, how y'all doing today? How are y'all doing today? I hope your day has been as blessed as mine. We're gonna pray real quick, and then we're gonna eat. Amen. All right, y'all. I need y'all to do me a favor. I need y'all to comment down below. I need y'all to give this video a thumbs up, increase. And I need you to share. And if you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you're aware every time that I upload a video. So today, y'all, I have some fried noodles, a little shrimp on top of it. I've got some salmon in the front here, some corn on the side. I got some broccoli, and I'm gonna put my gravy. I got some gravy here. Oh Lord. Let me put some gravy on top of my fried noodles. Yes. And to drink, I've got my cranberry juice. All right, y'all. Man, how are y'all doing? I pray that your day has been blessed. I really do. Let's eat. Y'all gonna eat a little bit. Let me eat a little bit. I got a story for y'all. And y'all, you know who I got on the side of me as always. I got Miss Honey on the side of me. Go ahead, say your what up, though. Go ahead.
What up?
How selfish of me. I'm gonna give y'all a bite. Salmon, gravy, noodle. On the side over here, y'all, I do got some broccoli on the side. Yes, I do. Y'all, I've been fasting all day, so I'm quite hungry. This meal was very quick, easy. Gravy good too.
It's good.
Yeah, gravy's good. My salmon, y'all, today, cooked it in a vegan butter and garlic sauce. Yes, I did. What was that? What was talking about? Let me call and I wrote it down. I wanted to talk about it with the fam. Man. I wrote it down. It was the second thing I wanted to talk about, but it's okay. I got something I want to share with y'all. But I'm not getting discouraged. You feel me? And if it come around, keep pressing on.
Right.
Because you never know
That's right.
the blessing that's in store. I got a story for y'all. A personal story for y'all, fam.
Yep. That's right.
You never know what's in store. I'm gonna get something to drink real quick. It's refreshing. Whew. That's good, y'all. So, I'm gonna tell y'all, fam, yesterday was a little it was a little disappointing for me. And I'm gonna tell you why. I'll be honest, y'all. Because I had some difficulties. So I had a video for y'all yesterday. It was great. It went very well. And uploaded it. And as soon as I finished, y'all, the whole video disappeared. Whole video disappeared, y'all. I was hot. And I was like, man, I had a good message for the fam. I wanted to talk to them about some stuff. Excuse me. And, y'all, it disappeared. So, Miss Honey on the side of me, and I'm like, yo, the video disappeared. And I don't know where it went. So she's a bit more tech savvy than I. So, she's like, here, give it here. She's looking for it. Y'all, we couldn't find that video anywhere. When I tell you, we couldn't find the video anywhere, y'all. I mean, nowhere. So, I ain't gonna hold you. I got a little bit down. So, Miss Honey looked at me and she said, there's nothing you can do about it. You know, she said, you gotta accept the fact that it's gone. and she told me, she's like, we gotta keep pushing. We gotta keep moving. Like, we gotta keep going. I was like, man, but, you know, that video was fire. Like, I had stuff to talk about with the fam. I wanted that joint up. She's like, I know. She said, but we got to keep moving. Like, that's what she kept telling me, right?
Yeah.
We got to keep going.
Right.
She said, you'll do something else tomorrow.
Yep.
Keep going. I said, you know what? Okay. I stayed in my feelings for like a couple more minutes. So, remember what I said? You never know what's in store. Y'all buy that corn? Yeah. So you never know what's in store, right? So I sucked it up. I said, all right, bet we're gonna go ahead and record tomorrow, get it in. So the day come around, preparing this meal, about ready to record. Got into where I needed to be into. Y'all, all of a sudden, I said, Miss Honey, my video. It popped up out of nowhere. It popped up. I was just like, thank you, Lord. Like, God is good. Thank you. And it just taught me, like, things are going to happen. And like I always say, when you continue to press and you continue to put that positive energy into whatever, yo, there's blessings that you don't even see. We were not expecting that video that is out.
Just put
Excuse
it
me,
out.
that I just put out
Taco.
prior to this one. Whew. And then I put this one out. Yeah, this one coming out too. Wasn't expecting to be able to have a double header. See, when there's a message for the people, for the fam, and God wants you to get it out, it's going to get out, or whatever it is, it's going to get done, because that's what was purposed.
Mm-hmm.
You see what I'm saying?
Planned to happen.
It was already planned. Exactly.
You speak positivity over yourself. That's what you do. You have to speak it over yourself.
What did it say? You got to speak life.
I'm telling you.
Come on now.
I've seen it.
Come on, y'all.
Plenty of times. You have to.
You got to speak life into your situation. I don't care if it's an ailment, if it's bills you need to catch up on, whatever it may be, you got to speak life into your situation. Real rap.
I've seen it.
Diseases disappear. Why? Mindset. Speak life. Speak life. Life and death is in the power of the tongue, y'all. Real rap. It is.
That's right.
It really is.
That's right.
The older I get, the more and more, like, I don't know, like I'm learning it more, but I'm putting it into action. Because it's one thing to know something and don't put it into action.
Right.
That's refreshing, y'all. For real. So, yeah, that's my message for the fam today. Speak life over your situation.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's the truth.
For real. No matter how hard the situation, for real.
Right.
You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
Cause y'all, I done been in some, as I'm sure, fam, you've been in some tough situations. You know, and maybe you're already putting this, you know, these things into practice. And then that thing turn around.
Yep. Right before your eyes.
Right before your eyes.
That's right. That's the truth. Speak positivity over yourself.
Yo, I done been, I'm gonna share this with you. I done been sick and in the hospital before in my life.
And homeless.
Come on, man. Not many people know that.
That's right.
But I share that with the fam, man. Yeah. That's real rap. Been homeless before, and I had my own place to live. Come on, we fam. We talking. We talking. This real talk. This real talk. I done been homeless before. Didn't have my own place to go to. So, now look, man. You can't tell me what positive thinking and positive action won't do. And depending on God, right? Right? Being patient and waiting, but at the same time, putting forth that action that we got to do. Because at the end of the day, we got to do our part.
That's right.
We got to do our part.
That's right.
Y'all. This thing real, fam.
Mm-hmm.
This thing is real, fam. I told you. The real. I'm gonna give it to you. So you may be going through a situation that you don't see the light at the end of the tunnel. You pray about that thing and you keep pressing on.
That's right.
You got to keep pushing, y'all. Real rap. You gotta keep pushing. You don't have the support. It's okay. It'll be provided for you.
That's right.
It don't matter. Whether it's a cousin, a brother, an auntie, an uncle, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, a fiance, a wife, a husband that's not supporting you, God know what you need.
Mm-hmm.
He know what you need. He gonna supply that need. You heard me? Real rap. Might not be what you want to hear. It's real. It's real, y'all.
That's the truth. For real.
It's real.
Yeah, I mean,
Living witnesses.
that's right. And I'm not ashamed because I wouldn't be where I'm at right now.
Listen.
You know?
No, not at all. I'm not ashamed of. For real, fam, like real rap. Let's talk real quick. Like real rap. I'm not ashamed, and you shouldn't be ashamed of anything that you've been through.
That's right.
Because nothing that you've been through is a mistake. You understand what I'm talking about? Excuse me. Nothing you've been through is a mistake. It's part of your story. It's part of your unique story. It's part of your unique story, yo. Don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed of it, man. It's made you the woman, the man that you are today. And those things that you continue to go through are going to continue to strengthen you.
That's right.
I don't know who this is for. Y'all excuse me. We fam, so this type of stuff gonna happen. But it's for somebody. It's for somebody. Whatever you're going through, it's gonna be okay.
That's right.
Hell, I go through stuff. I go through stuff, y'all. But it's gonna be okay. You gotta keep pushing.
That's right.
And you never give up.
Yeah, you got to.
Never give up. Y'all hear me? Never give up. Because the desires of your heart,
That's right. That's the truth.
they're gonna be met. They're gonna be met, man. A blessing's gonna be poured out for you that you don't have room for.
That's right.
I'm gonna get up out of here, y'all. Make sure you do me a favor. Comment down below. You going through something? Let me know. Let me know. I'll holler back at you. Comment down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Increase, increase, increase. And remember to share, share, share. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Tap that notification bell. That way you're aware every time that I upload a video. This is your Motivation Big Guy. Remember, you can do anything that you put your mind to. Don't ever let anybody ever tell you you can't do it. You stay persistent, consistent, and motivated, y'all. This is your Motivation Big Guy, where I bring you peace, positivity, love, and the real. Peace, y'all.